Cast on 116 loops. Work reed 2 purl 1 knit near 4 centimeters. It's a back side, it's a front side. Now in the back side knit 1 row with knit loops only. All loops knit in back side. That's how it looks in front side. In front side all loops purl. Now knit the other way around. Front side knit as back side and back side knit as front side. If it was to purl 1 knit, so not work to knit 1 purl. Work 20 centimeters from a row with purl loops. Now begin decrease. In first row knit 2 knit loops together. Knit loops together, purl. Knit loops together, purl. Together, purl. 2 loops together, purl. Second row, work rivet 1 purl 1 knit. 1 purl, 1 knit. Back side knit purl loops. Continue each front row, knit 2 loops together. Do not decrease in back side. Knit purl loops in back side. Now near 10 loops left. Sew seam.